everyone, Cebu Pacific welcomes you to the Ninoy Aquino International Airport in Manila. For your safety and comfort, please remain seated with your seatbelts fastened until the captain turns off the fasten seatbelt sign. Please check your surroundings to ensure you do not leave any of your personal belongings behind. Be cautious when opening the overhead bins, as heavy items may have moved during the flight. Mangyari po lamang na manatiling nakaupo at hintayin matanggal ang ilaw sa fasten seatbelt sign bago tumayo para kunin ang inyong mga kagamitan. Nais din naming ipaalam sa inyo na ang paggamit ng palikuran sa mga sandaling ito ay mahigpit na ipinagbabawal. Maraming salamat po. On behalf of your entire Cebu Pacific team, headed by our flight deck crew, Captain Nars and First Officer Pat, together with your cabin crew, we thank you for making Cebu Pacific a part of your important moments. It was truly a pleasure having you all on board, and we do hope to fly you to more fun in the future. Once again, thank you everyone for flying with Cebu Pacific. Sa ngalan ng bumubuo ng lipad na ito na pinangungunahan ni Kapitan Nars at ni unang opisyal Pat, kasama ang inyong lingkod na cabin crew, kami po ay malugod na nagpapasalamat sa inyong pagtangkilik sa Cebu Pacific. Naway maging lingkod muli kami sa inyong mga susunod na lipad. Muli, maraming salamat sa paglipad kasama ang Cebu Pacific. And also we ask that you keep your area clean and tidy. Kindly clear your seat pockets of any